The AI Commission Board claims to be integrated with the GPT 4.0 technology. It claims that it can be used on any website and bank more than $5 per visitor repeatedly. The AI bot can be applied to all kinds of websites and convert YouTube videos and any website into a chatbot. The tool allows for monetization of any website and YouTube video, generating commissions, traffic, and profits. It also claims to help users to build a chatbot empire with powerful AI technology. But we haven't seen any AI chatbot like this, right? Is it really possible to make 10x profits of any website with just a chatbot? Let's find out. So, what is AI Commission Bot? See, AI Commission Bot promises to address the problems of generating traffic and boosting website conversions, especially for new websites or affiliate sites or YouTube channels lacking a track record. It simplifies the setup of AI chatbots for promoting websites or affiliate offers. Utilizing advanced AI technology like ChatGPT and GPT-4 Turbo to manage conversions and sales. Additionally, it provides a solution for marketers to effectively leverage AI for driving traffic, increasing commissions, and managing customer support. And now let's find out how does AI commission bot work exactly. So see, AI commission bot is nothing but an AI chat bot, and just a moment. Yeah. So yeah, this chatbot is very easy to train to make your own sales assistant. It works best for affiliate offers or your own business, online business especially, if you have a product or service to sell. As we share the links of web pages or YouTube videos with this tool, it will train. Then we integrate this with our website. It becomes our AI assistant and will try to convert our visitors. And so let's understand this with an example. Suppose you are an affiliate of ClickDesigns. ClickDesigns, by the way, it's a graphic design tool best for mockups and Boxshots. And if you want to make affiliate commissions by promoting this graphic design tool, let me show you what is this ClickDesigns. ClickDesigns.com. This is a graphic designing tool, and it works for best for mockups. This tool. So if you want to make affiliate commissions by promoting this graphic design tool, so and let's also assume that you have a graphic design related blog or website with some review articles, guides, and tutorials. Now you need to train the AI commission bot with the knowledge base of Click Designs. So collect all the links to the Click Designs website, such as its official sales page, and it means this one, features page, tutorials page, and some YouTube tutorial videos. Now share all its links inside the AI Commission bot dashboard, and boom, your AI chatbot is fully trained and ready to interact with your visitors. Copy its code into your website, and whenever a visitor approaches your blog or website, the chatbot will try to engage them and convert them to purchasing Click Designs. In this way, this helps you earn commissions or profits. Now, let's see what are its main features. Commission bot features include preset use cases and website URLs for promotion, setting up unlimited commission for new websites or YouTube channels, an easy setup process, integration with GPT technology, the ability to train chatbots for multiple URLs, and real time functionality. The AI bot will follow all the instructions to drive traffic, promote affiliate offers, handle customer support, and it operates 24 by 7 because it's an AI, not a human. You can train the chatbot on multiple websites and YouTube URLs, install it on several websites, make commissions, sell to clients, and generate leads or traffic. It leverages the power of GPT-4 and AI technology to automate tasks and generate profits. It offers ready to use templates, cloud based AI bots, and 24 by 7 support. And now let's talk about its features. Sorry, its pricing. So let me show you its funnel. Yeah. So the front end offer of AI commission bot costs $17 only. They may offer you a $15 cost or a $2 discount during its launch period. The coupon code will be visible on the sales page, so don't worry about it. And additionally, it has five upsells or OTOs. Number one, OTO one is Pro Bots, $47. Second, Done for You Bots, $97. Third, Done for You Website, $197. Fourth, Architect Edition, $37. And the fifth, fifth, it's a secret. See, it's a secret. Oh. And it will cost you $197. And if I talk about its bonuses, so AI Commission Bot offers 12 different bonuses, and but you can choose out of three of them. And you need to send, if you purchase this product, you will need to send your receipts to an email ID. It's a bonus at the rate reselltitan.com. Bonus at the rate reselltitan.com. With the subject, I bought AI commission bot from your name, and that's send my bonuses. Here is, here is the guidelines, this email ID, and this will be your subject header. And within 48 hours, you will get access to your bonuses. And here is the list of those 12 products. Number one, Traffic GPT, AI commissions, Infinite AI, Passive GPT, AI CashFlow, Chatbot AI, the two click AI, AI Fresh, Done for You AI, eCover Genius. It is basically a collection or library of royalty free logos and e-covers. And 11th is ChromeCopy. It's a Chrome plugin with GPT editing and resell rights. And the 12th and the last one is Ultimate AI, 50 in 1. Okay. Now it's time for my personal opinion. Uh, so first off, it is important to understand that while chatbots can be super helpful, they are but they are not magic money making machines. Sure, they can automate a certain task and interact with your visitors on your website, but earning $5 or more than that per visitor repeatedly, that's a bit of a stretch. See, having a chatbot is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to your online business. There is a whole lot more to it than just popping a chatbot onto your site and watching the dollars in. Think about it this way: a chatbot can only answer the questions it has been programmed to respond to. It is not a human. And so it can't handle every single query to engage in complex conversations like a real person can. Visitors might have all sorts of questions, and if your chatbot can't address them effectively, it might end up frustrating your potential customers instead of helping them. Plus, the whole idea of earning $5.50 per visitor sounds a bit too good to be true, right? Making money online, making money online takes effort, strategy, and a solid understanding of your audience and market. It is not something that a chatbot alone can guarantee or any assurance. So, while having an AI chatbot on your site can be a nice addition to your digital toolkit, but it's not a magic bullet for making lots of cash Focus on building a great product or service, owning your marketing strategies, and providing real value to your customers. That's the real key to success in the online world. Hope that clears things up a bit. Now it's up to you. It's your decision whether to make the AI commission bot your virtual salesperson or ignore this offer. Whatever, it's up to you. So that's it for now. And I'm Nirav Satya. I will meet you in another product launch with another unbiased and honest review. All the links and the timestamps are given in the description. So you can click any of one of them. So take care. Bye bye. Stay blessed. Stay happy.